Yo yo yo! Good morning! July 21, 6:01 AM. Whew! Sa ano kami? Ortigas. Ito na yung Galleria. Papunta kaming Domsa. Mahabang parang. Yan, kasama ko si Bogs. Yan siya. So tignan natin. Mukhang tutukuran natin yan ngayon. Alright, sige, sige. Woo! Yun, pa-junction na kami. Yan si Bogs, oh. Sabi may bagyo daw. Well, meron naman. Pero nasa bay lang siya. Ano, sa dagat. So hopefully hindi kami abutan ng kahit anong ulan. Kasi so far maganda pa yung panahon. Grabe, pa uwi dito mamaya siguro sobrang traffic. Hopefully makabalik kami na mas maaga. Sana tsambahan namin na wala pang traffic. Ito na yung traffic area. Traffic, grabe. Yes! Sarap po. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng panahon so far. Mas bumubungat na yung bundok sa malayo. Bitin, sorry. Binitin ko yung kotse. Patawad yung ahon.
Once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Dikit tayong sticker. Yun, no? Yan, Domsa. Domsa view. Bugs, masasabi mo sa Domsa?
Hindi. Masakit. Pero solve. Gandang training ground to sa ano, Kuya Mike? Gravelton race. Or
Gravelton.
Sa ultra gravel.
Wala yatang ganito ako sa ultra gravel.
Oo, wala.
Yun. Tapos na kami sa pangalawang ahon. Hirap. Diretso tayo papuntang Taktak. Ahon na naman. Dandahanin na lang natin ito. Haba-haba eh. Puro hila lang. Diba? Warp zone. Morning. Kapitolyo ng Rizal. Papuntang ano kami, Taktak, Daang Bakal, Kakape lang. Nangyari dito. Sarap. Nice na nila yung kali dito. Pwede na mag no hands kasi makinis na. Sarap. Yes. Dito hindi pa tapos. Yeah. Down. Helix to. Nasama yung gulong ko. Yes. Baliktad tayo. Lusong ng pinagmisahan. Doon pa. Tayo, Better Beans. Ang bike. Yan, bike ni Bugs. Daming tao. Kape muna, kape. Kasi medyo pawis yung puwet.
Nagkatsa kayo ngayon ah.
Hello. Ayan. Ayan. Balik na tayo. Daming tao ngayon, Sunday. Ganda ng mga tugtugan dito. May kakilala tayo dito. Feeling ko may makikita tayo. Medyo pumapangit na yung panahon. Parang uulan na. Pero at least hindi mainit. Na ganyan lang. Bango. Sarap kumain. Pinag-isahan. Bali wala na to. Pagkatapos nung ahon sa parang napakaikli na. May pitik pa. May pitik pa.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Yun nabutan kami ng ulan dito. Saan na ba to? Nakadaan na tayong tulay, di ba?
Oo.
Ano na to? Rosario na. Naabot pa mga alas. Ano pa naman, yung lusong sa Tikling, tuyo yung pawis. Yun, nandito na ulit tayo. Kapitolyo na. Ayan, mga bikers. Ano meron dito? Habagat. Yun, dito na natin tatapusin to. I hope you enjoyed the video. Next week ulit, kita-kita. Bye bye.